All right.
Alright.
All right. Harrison and Dad. And we have a bunch of stuff to show you guys. Bless you. Do you need tissue? No tissue? Okay. Got a bunch of random pickups, Harrison. Are you excited to show everybody the stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, you want to open the box first? Because that's the one. This is the one that there's something in here for Harrison. In this box. Here, let me help. I'll pull. I'll start it and then you pull. Ready? There you go. Gotta be strong. It's pretty heavy. Hold on, one second. Now let's grab it the other way. Hold on, let's rotate. This way, like this, Harrison. There you go. All right, what do we got inside? We got 2 boxes inside. Look at little box for Harrison and a big box for Dad.
Whoa.
Cool. Open your little box. Let's see. What's inside? This is for Harrison. Look. Yeah, look at it. It is in here. Yeah, I got you some shoes.
Yeah.
What colors are they?
Black.
And what other colors?
Gray.
Green? They're black, green, and red.
Yeah.
Can you say ATQC? Here, let me wipe your nose, buddy. You got a runny nose today, huh? There you go. They're very runny, huh? Hold on. Harrison, look at your shoes. They're fun. They're ATQC. And in here, there's a hat. Supreme hat. You want? Wait, hold on. Let's try it on. Let me look. Look at right here. Look at right here on the hat. You want to open the rest? Yeah. Okay. And then we got this one. There's another one. Black shoe.
Whoa.
Yep. I got these. I got some power phases. Never showed you guys. And then, yep, got some pants. Got some Kith pants. These things are crazy.
Whoa.
Super. Yeah, all these things. Super crazy pants. I'll show you guys those in a second. And then let's open this one. Yep. And Daddy has a pair of shoes too. Look. They're Vans. They're black and red.
Yeah.
This is the Ultra Range Vans. I wanted to get these and give these a try. Tribe Called Quest. You see the back? Black.
Black.
Yep, and say red.
Red.
Yep. Good job, Harrison. You could do this full time, man. Let's put it back. Well, actually, let's leave one out because I'm going to show them more of this. And then can we open this one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. Now what's in this one?
Whoa.
Oh, that's the paper.
That's the
I got a pair of AlphaBounce. You want to show them in the video? Hold it up right here. Say AlphaBounce.
AlphaBounce.
AlphaBounce. And this is, what color is it?
White.
Yep. I got the white AlphaBounce. And these, I want to do a review on. These things are pretty cool. And they actually look really good on feet, so I'm really excited that I got a pair of these. And that's the haul, but I'm going to show you guys a little bit more detail now. Harrison, you want to show them your toy?
Yeah.
Daddy got for you?
Yeah.
Let's show them this. What is that? Tell them what it is.
Fire truck.
It's a fire truck. What color is the fire truck?
Red.
And?
And gray.
And?
Gray.
And?
And white.
It's in white. Yep. Uh-oh. Well, and that's his fire truck that he got. It's radio controlled.
Uh-oh.
It's like 50% off, so I was like, I had to buy it. Uh-oh, the box is filled. All right, here, let me get you down.
Bye, guys.
Say bye-bye.
See you soon.
Look at this balloon you got. Who is this?
Mickey.
Mickey Mouse. This balloon has been up for like 2 weeks, dude. It's still floating like crazy. Awesome.
Bye.
So this is the prime example of why making videos can sometimes be challenging. You saw that whirlwind of stuff that just happened real quick. Like all these things. Look what we got. I'm gonna focus on the jeans for 1 second. $220 for these. These are some Kith jeans, the Monroes. And I got these for a video that I'm gonna be doing on some pants, and I'm gonna be comparing these to like a $30 pair of jeans. And I thought that'd be a fun video for you guys because, so like most of you guys out there, I don't want to pay $220 usually for jeans, but I did in this case. and I need to know, oh, thank you, buddy. And I need to know if it's worth paying the $220 for these jeans or not. You see the kid in the background. You see the 18 garbage trucks back there? It's ridiculous. Yeah, so I'm gonna see if these are worth it or not. So far though, I really love these and they're really nice in hand. And they're just, I mean, they're really, really like heavy denim. So kind of cool. And I really like the look of these ones. And so I was glad I was able to scoop a pair. And then I went back to check like a week later after I got them. They're gone in my size. So I'm glad I scooped up. Supreme hat. This one just says Supreme on the back, and then it's black and orange on the front. So I was like, yeah, I might as well scoop this one. It was like, I think 30 bucks or 35 or however much the hats are. They dropped the other week, and I like the color scheme. It's something I rock with a lot, so I went ahead and bought this. I never showed you guys these, but I do have the Power Phases. I did get them on release. I just never showed you guys. It was a shoe that I was like, I don't think I'm going to be able to pull this one off. I don't know if I'm going to keep this one. I might try to sell it, but honestly, like I could sell them for under retail right now. They're so bad. The leather quality is really nice, but they're just kind of narrow. So I haven't really tried these on yet. Leave a comment if you've tried these on or if you wear the Power Phases, how you like them. I'm not really feeling it. It kind of reminds me of like an aerobics 70s shoe, but the triple black colorway is definitely my favorite of the group. And Tribe Called Quest, ATQC, super dope collab that they did with Vans. They still have a ton of these available on their site. And if you guys want to shop for any of these items in this video, actually just check the links in the description and I will link them. But Vans, ATQC, I wanted to get these for myself, but I ended up getting them for the kid. They have the like low end theory vibes to this shoe with the red and the green. And then I ended up getting the new model because I've never actually tried this model. And I want to give this a go. It might not even be new, it's just new to me. It's the Ultra Range. It was the most expensive one of the group. I think it was 95 bucks. And super solid looking. And it has a little dude running on the back. And just super clean red stripe, and that's it. And it has like a nylon upper. But I figured I'd give these a go and see if I like these or not. And I do have a third pair from Vans. And I actually designed my own, which I've never done before. It was super fun to do. So expect that in a couple weeks. Last thing, oh yeah, you guys requested this one, and it's been a shoe that I've been waiting to pick up. I ended up getting a pair of these finally. These are the Alpha Bounce Beyonds, I believe they're called. Yeah, Alpha Bounce Beyond. Retail is $120, and I think this might be one of the most slept on shoes out right now. I think this one looks super, super nice, and this is like definitely an upgraded version from the original. I love 1, 2, 3, 5. Well, be careful. Anyway, super slept on. Definitely going to be doing a review on these soon, and I think that this is going to be one of those shoes I'm going to really like. I love this colorway. I didn't really like the look of it in store. It was just kind of faded into the mix of shoes that I went and saw, but that's really loud, huh? There's garbage trucks right there. But when I put these on feet, I was like, okay, yep, I'm definitely going to be buying these. That's really what sold me on buying this colorway. Even though it can obviously get really dirty, but I have a lot of triple whites and summertime is around the corner. So that is those, this, this. That was a haul. That's a lot of random stuff. If you guys like these random videos still, I plan on doing them once every week or two, just whenever I get a bunch of just random stuff. It's kind of fun for me to be able to do instead of just showing you guys everything that I get with the reviews. But that's all we have. Thanks to Harrison for the cameo. And we'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I post. And I'll leave you guys with this bonus footage right here. Are you doing the funny little dance? You're hilarious, Harrison. Hey, Harrison, what do we got over here? Are those garbage trucks?
Yeah, that's a new garbage truck.
Do you love your new garbage truck?
Yeah,
What else do you have here?
I have orange.
Yeah.
Oh, now I go green.
And green? Whoa, look at all these garbage trucks. How many do you have?
I have orange, green, green.
And then what's that one over there? And another green, a front loader. And another green.
1, 2, 5.
1, 2, 5. And your shirt. You have a garbage truck on your shirt.
I have popcorn.
And a pot cuddle.
Yeah, I love popcorn.
You're funny, buddy.
I remember come home, big garbage truck.
Yeah, you're going to show Mom the new garbage truck, huh?
I said, Mom, new garbage truck.
That is so fun. Do you love your new garbage truck?
I want new garbage truck.
Oh, I'm glad we were able to find you a good garbage truck, buddy.
I have 6
Yep,
garbage
there's
trucks.
a lot of garbage trucks. That's actually 6, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep counting.